Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been interested in learning AI but don't know where to begin, or you feel confused by the huge number of tools out there, this video is going to be very helpful for you. Coursive is an AI learning platform built to help anyone, whether you're a total beginner or already have some AI knowledge, work smarter, create faster, and build practical skills that can also generate income. One of the best things about it is that you only need about 15 minutes a day to make progress. Unlike many platforms that focus too much on theory, Coursive is all about real-world practice. You actually learn how to use AI for things like content creation, automation, marketing, and even affiliate earning. With more than 800,000 users, it has become one of the most beginner-friendly ways to gain confidence with AI. When you visit Coursive.io, you'll see a clean and simple homepage. Just click on Start Now, and the first step is a short onboarding quiz. This is not a test. It only takes about a minute and helps Coursive understand your goals, skill level, and learning style so it can personalize your experience. After that, you'll reach your personal dashboard. This is where Coursive really stands out. Instead of random lessons, you get a clear and structured learning path with daily tasks that usually take around 15 minutes. You can choose how you want to learn, through audio lessons, step-by-step written guides, or interactive modules. As you move forward, you're not just learning about AI, you're actively using it. You'll practice writing prompts with tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney and apply them to real-world use cases. Coursive works smoothly on both desktop and mobile. The mobile app is clean, simple, and easy to use. At the bottom, you'll see 4 main sections: guides, challenges, AI tools, and profile. In the guides section, Coursive uses a streak system to help you stay consistent. You'll also find a curated list of AI tools with clear tutorials that show you exactly how to use them for practical results. Popular tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and DeepSeek are explained in a very beginner-friendly way. There's also a Recommended for You section that suggests topics based on your interests. For example, if you tap on AI marketing, you'll instantly see lessons made specifically for that topic. If you like learning with a clear structure, the Challenges tab is a great option. You'll find challenges like the 28-day AI challenge, the 14-day AI side income challenge, and even a no-code challenge. Each day introduces a new tool or skill, and you can complete them at your own pace. Another feature I really like is the built-in AI tools. You don't need to switch between apps or create multiple accounts. From content writing to image generation and productivity tools, everything is available inside the platform. There are also ready-made prompts, which is especially helpful if you're just starting out. For those who want proof of learning, Coursive also offers AI knowledge certificates in the profile section. These certificates are not officially accredited, but they're useful for showcasing your skills on LinkedIn or adding to your resume, especially if you're freelancing. To unlock full access, you'll need to choose a subscription plan. Coursive offers 1-week, 4-week, and 12-week plans. The 12-week plan gives the best value, but the 4-week plan is a great way to start and usually costs less than $1 per day. Payments are simple and can be made using PayPal or a credit card. What really makes Coursive worth recommending is how practical and results-focused it is. You're not spending hours watching theory. You're learning real skills that help you automate tasks, create content faster, market better, and explore new income opportunities using AI. There's also a money-back guarantee as long as you actively take part in the lessons. So, if you've been curious about learning AI, or you've already tried tools like ChatGPT but want clear and structured guidance, Coursive is a strong place to start. If this video helped you, make sure to like it, share your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more walkthroughs, reviews, and deep dives into useful AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.